Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. The cutting-edge Porsche 911 GT3 rupees is back right at home, the Nürburgring. Our government operatives got the in-your-face 911 having a field day on the track while displaying its apparently unclad body. In any case, very much like the past locating high in the mountains, the coverings on the model 911 GT3 rupees are unobtrusive using dark tape. Demanding subtleties are as yet stowed away from the unaided eyes, similar to the back bumper vents. However, a large portion of the significant bodywork, like pipes, vents, and the enormous back wing is uncovered. Discussing the swan neck wing, it's normal that the following 911 GT3 rupees will be flexible, with low and high downforce designs. Along with the ventilation work and vents, a few changes as far as streamlined features and cooling are all together. Concerning the powertrain, the 911 GT3 rupees ought to be fueled by a normally suctioned 4.0-liter level 6. Power figures aren't revealed yet. It ought to be near the past age GT3 RS's result of 520 pull, 387 kilowatts, with just the right amount of additional horses expected to intensify the car's performance. Reports say that the fighter motor could fire up to 9,500 revolutions per minute, sending capacity to the wheels through a double-grasped gearbox. The most recent intel says that the cutting-edge Porsche 911 GT3 rupees could make a big appearance at the current year's Goodwood Festival of Speed, which is set to occur on June 23. This is unsubstantiated, in any case, so we should not pause our breathing for that one right now. Talking about Goodwood, another German automaker will stand out as truly newsworthy at the well-known slope climb. The primary BMW M3 Touring will make its worldwide presentation, close by the recently delivered M4 CSL. BMW is commending its 50th year at Goodwood, so Porsche sharing that spotlight could be plausible.